How y'all doing today? I bet y'all have been wondering where I have been. So welcome back to another episode, Hal Farms. Alright, well my last video was posted probably, I think a month ago or so. I wanted to take some time off, enjoy the holidays, have a good Christmas with my family and a New Year's, and just kind of relax, making YouTube videos, sometimes challenging. And I just wanted to be stress-free over the holidays. So, what are the plans for 2022? Well, we're halfway through a month. I did go hunt with my daughter one more time. We shot a little doe, but I didn't film it. Like I said, I wanted to just have some time, stress-free. So, this year, we got another month of hunting. We're going to finish hunting tomorrow. Me and my dad are going to go hunting, hopefully get some good footage from that, bring you all along, show you the story. But what are the plans for this year? Well, I started a landscaping company about the end of grass cutting last year, which I did post a video. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it above. But I started with that mower. That is a Toro Time Master. That's a 30-inch push mower. Well, the Lord has blessed me, and a gentleman knew I was starting a landscaping company, and knew that, hey, I needed a mower, but I didn't want to go out and spend a bunch of money and buy a new one. So he actually hooked me up with a really good deal, and I have this bad boy now. This is a 62-inch Toro Z Master. This is a commercial grade zero turn, which I'll see that. So this isn't gonna be a complete landscape channel and a complete hunting channel. It's gonna be still gonna keep Hal Farms. The goal is to eventually, through this and maybe that business and some other things, is to be able to buy a farm, like buy enough property to call it Hal Farms. So that's why I started this channel with this name, but you know, that may never happen, but you never know unless you try. So that's what's been going on this year. So we got this. Gonna be starting a landscaping company. I may be buying some other stuff, I'm not sure. But that's where we're headed. So I hope y'all have had a good Christmas and a happy New Year, and everybody's doing good. And I want to start getting back to making videos. I know some people have asked me that know me personally, hey man, when are you gonna do your next video? And I kind of just, I don't know, I got out of the rhythm of doing it. Once you get out of the rhythm of doing it, it's hard to get back into it. So tomorrow, like I said, I'm gonna go hunting tomorrow with my dad, and hopefully we get some footage of killing something. But maybe we will, maybe we won't. Also, this is a grill, but I would like to do some videos of how to prepare venison, because I've had some people always ask, hey man, I've had deer meat before, but I don't like the way it tastes. I got a feeling some of them just don't know how to cook it. So we're gonna try to help some of my friends out. We got a grill. We also have another charcoal grill back there that we can use, but this is a gas grill I got a screaming deal on, so I picked it up. But if y'all know me personally, I'm a wheeler and a dealer. If I can get something at a screaming deal, I'm gonna go pick it up. And that's usually the only way I buy stuff anyways. Or the Lord has blessed me a lot, like with this four-wheeler right here. An older gentleman at my church had actually given to me. It didn't cost me a dime. So the Lord has blessed me and my family greatly. And it's a blessing, and I thank him every day for it. So there you guys have it. There's the plans for 2022. We're starting a landscaping company, grass cutting. And I say company, it's me, myself, and I right now. I don't really plan on getting big enough to add employees, but right now it's gonna be me, mainly grass cutting. I do a little landscaping. I got some jobs out right now that are kind of waiting to see if their bid, to see if they want me to do it or not. So there you guys have it. There's what we have planned for 2022. The weather has been terrible, but whatever. We're going hunting tomorrow. There you guys have it. Like I said, I'm gonna show you my decal. If you see me out and about in town, for everyone that knows me, take a picture and let me know. But you guys have a good one. Wish us luck tomorrow. And until next time, I'll see you in the woods.